Hello students, I hope you all are safe at home. So students, today we'll read poem 3 of English, that is The Bridge Builder. Okay, so let us discuss about the author. Okay, so the author is Will Allen Dromgoole. 1860 to 1934 was an author and poet from Tennessee, America. Her poem The Bridge Builder remains quite popular and an excerpt appears on a plug at the Vermont Villas Bridge spanning the Connecticut River. Okay, so now the narrator tells us the story of an old man who came across a wide chasm after crossing over. He decided to build a bridge. While he was building it, a fellow traveler came along and asked the old man why he was building a bridge when he had already crossed the chasm. The old man told him that he was building it for the another who might find it difficult to cross. Okay, so now moving towards our poem. So now an old man going a lone highway came at the evening, cold and grey, to a chasm vast and deep and wide, through which was flowing a sullen tide. The old man crossed in the twilight dim. The sullen stream had no fear for him, but he turned when safe on the other side and built a bridge to span the tide. So chasm here it means a very big gap, and sullen, what do you mean by sullen? It means dark and unpleasant. And span, what is span? Span means to cross. Okay, so now an old man who is unselfish, he comes across a chasm while going alone on highway. So the old man, while crossing a swift moving river, sees a tide that can create trouble for the people coming after him. So after crossing the river, he decides to construct the bridge to save travelers from danger. So the old man, while crossing a bridge, while crossing that bridge river, so what he sees a tide that can create trouble for the people coming after him. So after crossing that bridge, what he decided? He decided to construct the bridge to save travelers from danger. Okay, now moving towards our next stanza. So old man said, a fellow pilgrim near, you are wasting your strength with building here. Your journey will end with the ending day. You never again will pass this way. You have crossed the chasm deep and wide. Why build the bridge at the eventide? Okay, so now even here it means evening. Okay, so now while the old man constructing the bridge, a fellow pilgrim, or we can say a fellow traveler, comes along and asks the reason for his hard work. To him, the old man has already crossed the river. So, hence, he feels that the old man is wasting his time and efforts on it. Okay, so now he feels that the old man is wasting his time on that bridge. Okay, now moving towards our next stanza. So the builder lifted his old grey head. Good friend, in the path I have come, he said, there followeth after me today a young whose feet a youth whose feet must pass this way. A youth whose feet must pass this way. this chasm that has been a knot to me, to that fair haired youth. My youth may a pitfall be. He too must cross in the tube-light dim. Good friend, I am building this bridge for him. So, not here it means nothing. And what do you mean by pitfall? Pitfall means problem or difficulty. So, now, to his surprise, the old man answers that it is a kind gesture for those who are on their way to get across the water. Being experienced, he has inexperienced young generations may fail to do so. So, they fail to do so. Now, therefore, he is paving the way for them, and this act shows his generosity and concern for the future generations. Okay, now, and also the bridge represents his love, and it will stay there even when the old man is gone. Okay, the old man is gone. There, it will stay there even when the old man is gone. Okay, so now we have read the poem. The poem gives the message of unselfishness and generosity. Okay, so students, we have read the poem. I hope you all enjoyed the session. Thank you.